Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's going to change your financial life. We're going to dive deep into the Debt Payoff Gameplan, foolproof tips to eliminate debt and achieve financial success. I'm your host, Wealthgrow, and I'm thrilled to share these strategies with you. Debt can be overwhelming and can hold us back from reaching our financial goals. But fear not. With the right game plan, dedication, and discipline, you can conquer your debt and pave the way for financial freedom. So, let's get started. The first step in our debt payoff game plan is to assess your financial situation. Take a thorough look at all your debts, credit cards, student loans, car loans, and any other outstanding balances. Note down the interest rates, minimum payments, and total amounts owed for each. Now that you have a clear picture of your debts, it's time to prioritize them. We recommend two popular approaches: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche methods. The debt snowball method involves paying off your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Start by putting extra money towards the smallest debt while continuing to make minimum payments on the others. Once the smallest debt is paid off, roll over the money you were paying towards it to the next smallest debt. This creates momentum and keeps you motivated. On the other hand, the debt avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. Start by directing extra funds towards the debt with the highest interest rate while making minimum payments on the others. Once that debt is paid off, move on to the next highest interest rate debt. This method may save you more money on interest payments in the long run. Both methods have their advantages, so choose the one that resonates with you the most. The key is to stick with it and stay committed. Now, let's talk about budgeting. Creating a realistic and detailed budget is crucial for your debt payoff journey. Track your income, expenses, and identify areas where you can cut back or save money. Every dollar saved can be directed towards paying off your debts faster. To maximize your debt payoff efforts, consider finding ways to increase your income. This could mean taking up a side gig, freelancing, or even selling unused items. Every extra dollar earned accelerates your journey towards debt freedom. As you progress on your debt payoff journey, it's essential to stay motivated. Celebrate each milestone and small victory along the way. Surround yourself with a supportive community or an accountability partner who can cheer you on and keep you accountable. Remember, paying off debt takes time and dedication, but with the right game plan, you can eliminate your debts and achieve financial